Hi guys, so today I'm gonna make a video how to replace your rear strut shock absorber. Mine, I guess it's the original one. They came from manufacturer. I keep driving and every time I go over a pothole I hear the bang bang. So that coil is working but the strut is not, so I went and got myself a new strut. These are the cheapest one they were in the store. The reason why I bought them is not just because the price, but I did the research. It says it works. That company is actually supplying their struts for Volvo, Volkswagen, Audi. So I said, hey, why not? I'll use it too. You gotta lose up that bolt, and there was a bolt and a nut on the bottom. It's a 18 millimeter. So I'm gonna get that loose and then see what's happened. So I got the nut loose using a rubber mallet. I'm gonna get that bolt out. So what I did to help myself, because the car is lift up, I have a little cylinder jack. I lifted up a little bit. And as you can see, the top bolt came out. Now I'm pulling that bottom one. Got it. Just gotta remember which way which one goes. So I kind of set up to this way. Now that's it. Here we go. You cannot call that a strut. Look at this. Look. Look. Is that a strut? I pushed it by my hands. Is that a strut? It's a piece of junk, guys. Right? So they do recommend to replace the struts every 30,000 miles. Let's do that. That helps your car, safe ride, and everything. And now there's my new baby. Comes in like that. All nice and neat. Look at this baby, huh? Look at this baby. It's gonna go right in.